Chinese calligraphy is a unique traditional art in China, referring to the methods and rules of handwriting with a writing brush in a narrow sense. Chinese characters are an important factor in Chinese calligraphy. The major difference between Chinese calligraphy and other kinds of calligraphy lies in that the former takes Chinese character as its basis. With the evolution of Chinese characters, Chinese calligraphy has also undergone changes in certain aspects. The seal script was very popular before the Qing dynasty. The official script was prevalent in the Han dynasty, and the regular script, the running script, and the cursive script have been popular for more than 1,700 years since their first appearance. Different styles follow different rules and produce different effects. For Chinese people, calligraphy is far from being merely a way of handwriting, but instead of a form of visual art. The calligraphers are supposed to show remarkable skills as well as a deep understanding of the rules handed down from former generations. The art of calligraphy in China enjoys a long history, in which it has been practiced for thousands of years, during which the artists keep learning from and modeling on the previous works and develop independent styles on the basis of their own characteristics. Chinese people believe that one's personality and moral traits can be told from his/her works of calligraphy. It is believed by calligraphers that good tools are indispensable for fine piece of art. The best writing brushes are the clean and resilient ones produced in Huzhou, Zhejiang province. And the best paper is the spotless white and soft rice paper produced in Jing County of Anhui province. And the best inkstands are the delicate and smooth ones exploited in She County of Anhui province. And the best ink, also produced in Anhui, is as glossy and textured as black paint. Handwriting of famous calligraphers or other celebrities can be found everywhere, in places of historic interest and scenic beauty, on important buildings, and even on the billboards of many stores. For the stores, these artistic works help promote their goods and at the same time create a new kind of scene. In 2009, Chinese calligraphy was added by UNESCO to the representative list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity.